Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. So on today's video I will be using the Deluxe Salon Acrylic kit to do my nails. So I want to take a lot. I saw this kit and I decided to buy it. So I was like, why not? Let me just buy it and test it out and see if it works properly or not, or if it's worth the price that I paid for or not. So now I'm taking out everything that comes with the kit from the package so that you can see what the kit is an. So the kit comes with a buffer, it comes with a filer, it comes with a nail primer, and you get 40 tips, 40 white nail tips. Your acrylic powder, it's a clear acrylic powder, and I love the fact that it is sealed, because like some of the products that I have is sealed. Yeah, what we did to get the take. It comes with a DAPPEN dish. This is where you pour your acrylic liquid. It comes with a nail glue. It comes with an acrylic liquid. And finally, an acrylic brush. This is the brush that we're going to use, or I'm going to use, to apply the acrylic on my nails. So I will just cut off my nails first. I like cutting off my nails before gluing on my nail tips. Now I'm just buffing my nail tips to remove the shine. On my nail tips without giving me any problems. Then I will pick out my sizes. So I decided to use the clear nail tips instead of the white nail tips that came with the kit, because I didn't really love white nail tips, but then I will use them for something else. But then for now I decided to use my clear nail tips. I have chose all my sizes, so because I'm doing like both hands. So okay guys, the glue gave me problems. like lately ayinanix phakathi. I won't say ukuthi ayinanix phakathi, iomile. Yeah, include omile, so minus one star for that, because I didn't pay 163 rand ukuthi nje ngithole i-glue omile. So I decided to switch to my original glue that I always use, because this one ivele nje yanginikeza inkinga. So what I normally do when I want to stick on the tip to my natural nail, I just take the tip, put the glue on to the tip instead of my natural nails, then stick it on for a few and hold it. After sticking it on, I just hold it for a few seconds, because you can't just stick it on then leave it like that and think no, you have to hold it and wait for a few seconds. Then if you see what say clearly and it won't move, that's when you go to the rest of the nails. Now I'm done applying the nail tips, so I'm just going to trim the nails and shape them, then we'll get into the application process. After shaping my nails, I'm going to go in with the nail primer. Then I'm going to start with the application process. So what I'm going to do is to pour the acrylic liquid into a DAPPEN dish that came with the kit, instead of using like my old DAPPEN dish. And I struggled when it comes to opening the bottle, because I already had the nail tips on, so like it was a struggle. But then I finally opened it. I finally opened it, but then it was a struggle, a real struggle. So when we come to the application process, I was using wet bits because of the brush and because of the acrylic powder as well. It's not the texture that I'm used to, so I decided to use wet bits instead, in order for me to protect my acrylic brush. Acrylic brush it hardened on me while I was busy doing my index finger. So I decided to change the brush and use my my usual brush to finish the rest of my nails. I am done with the application process, and as for the brush, it decided to harden on me when I was doing my index finger, so I decided to switch to my old brush to finish the rest of my nails. As for the filer, it wasn't doing me any justice, so I think the file that came with the kit is works best if you use it to file natural nails or short nails. So I had to switch to my old filer in order to get the work done. The buffer works pretty well. It's not the usual buffer that I'm used to, but then it did the job, so I'm satisfied. After all the struggle, this is the final result, and I couldn't record while I was applying the nail polish because we had load shedding, so I had to apply off camera. Then when the electricity came back, I had to record again so that I can show you the final results. So I'm happy with the overall. I'm happy with my nails overall. And do I recommend this kit to you all? I don't recommend this kit to you, but then you can go and buy it and test it for yourself. Maybe you'll get better results compared to what I got. And if you've watched till this far, thank you so much. I will see you on my next one.